mind system. Mind system. So triogen is so beautiful. Thanks to Professor Park Jae-woo. He introduced triogen theory and triogen model order, and through this we can reach accurately whether it is mind or body or soul. So this is mind system. Do you have mind? Yes. Okay. Do you think that insect has mind? Yes. How can you say that insect has mind?
Because you know exactly what they want to do.
Yes, they are very intelligent. Very intelligent insect. Mosquito. Mosquito, very intelligent. They know when to bite. And they bite, quickly go and hide. So this is symbol of mind. Intelligence. And intelligence is part of mind. So, mind, triogen model order, spirit, is neutral, emotion, hetero, reason, homo, intention, neutral. So thanks to triogen model order, we can accurately study that self is composed of four. Soul. It is not just body or it is not just soul. It is soul, mind, body and life. Soul is neutral, mind is hetero, body is homo and life is neutral. If I ask you, can you agree that soul, here I said that mind is hetero. Why mind is hetero? First is mind has come from metaphysical world. You can feel but you cannot see mind. Okay, then mind is changeable. Mind can quickly change. Mind is very fast, can go here, can go there. So mind has which characteristic? Hetero. So mind is hetero. But if I say that mind can also be neutral, do you agree this?
Yes.
Can mind become neutral with smile meditation?
Yes.
Mind, yes. If mind is, mind, body. Mind is hetero, body is homo. And hetero, homo always conflict. Always conflict. So body will follow the mind if mind is smiling, if mind is neutral. Yes? So when baby is born, after that mind slowly expands. Yes, slowly expands, and at some stage mind can become mature mind also. Yes, but with someone even 30 years, 40 years, mind is not mature. When mind is mature, when mind achieve neutral state, smile state, then mind can become neutral also. Okay, anyway. But fundamental characteristic is mind is hetero because metaphysical, body is homo, and soul is neutral. Life all together, life appears, this is neutral. And when I say soul, when we talk about soul has come from zero word. Soul is part of him. And through our mind sometimes, because mind is also helping us to realize our soul. We are studying this subject We are studying this soul subject with the help of mind. So we cannot underestimate the mind. And when soul is activated with the help of mind, we must train our mind. So when soul is activated with the help of mind, then we can touch him and we can expand our abilities. We can expand our consciousness also. And this is possible only when mind is neutral. All wisdom is coming from soul. Don't forget this. Only thing is now your mind should be trained. Your mind should be trained so that you can use the power of soul. Soul is potential phenomena. Soul is heavenly, you can say, so potential. Soul is his potential. But very few people can use this potential. Everybody has this. So through mind channel you can achieve this. You understand? That is why Professor Park Jae-woo was always focusing mind smile meditation. Mind smile meditation. If mind is smiling, body will respond. If mind is smiling, body disease will not stay. No disease will stay in your body. Body will smile. Mind smile, body will smile. And mind and body when neutralized. Do you remember that story when we were studying Big Bang Theory? When hetero-homo harmonized with the help of neutro, what happens? Neutro appears. Neutro appears. Yes, you remember? So if mind and body harmonize, soul smile automatically, what will happen? Soul smile will appear, and that moment you will be free from all sufferings, all diseases, all suffering. You are free. That is why I am very, very serious. Whenever I am teaching any subject, I am always, you can understand why I am training your mind to smile always in all situations. Only through mind, because soul perfection, soul only saints. Of course, yes, soul is potential, but not all people can touch grand perfection through soul. But Professor Park gave us Tri-Origin theory. With the help of Tri-Origin consciousness system, we can expand our mind. Yes? Do you feel that your mind is expanded after you know when you this Tri-Origin?
Yes.
Do you feel your expansion?
Yes.
Mind expansion?
Yes.
Yes? So, very important subject. This mind subject is very, very important. And through mind only, we are understanding Sujok. Sujok is his system. Sujok is his system. We see again, it will look repetition, but it is required time to time. Sujok is his subject, his intention. He created exact similarity on the hand for some purpose. This is so systematic. So systematic, it means that he has some purpose. What is his purpose then?
Spread smile.
To create exact similarity on the hand. So systematic. What is the purpose? It is so. I told you that just to hold things, maybe only 2 or 3 fingers are enough. But then this is accurate. Hand is similar to human body. Why he did this similarity accurately? Because he is eager to give, and also he wants us to be healthy and touch smile perfection. He wants us to be perfect. But then, why, again question comes, why he wants us to be perfect? Because he loves us.
We are the children.
And why he loves us? Because we are his children. And you have to meditate these 2-3 lines every day. The moment you touch, the moment you absorb, for example, when I say that my father comes, immediately I will say, oh, this is my father. I don't need any explanation. So why we have to study this subject more often? Every day we need to discuss this. So the moment you understand that, yes, he did it for some purpose. He is our father. And your consciousness is really blooms. And once our soul is activated, many miracle things will happen in your life. Now let us study emotions first. Mind is has 4 components. First is emotion, second is reason, third is intention and spirit. What is spirit?
Existence.
Of course, yes, but local level, how can you understand what is spirit?
Energy within us.
The energy connection with the universe.
Yes, it is also there. And can you feel this? When we talk, sometimes we talk, okay, he has dancing spirit. Everybody has some spirit. He has dancing spirit, he has singing spirit, or she has cooking spirit. Someone has stealing spirit. Someone has terrorist spirit. This is all spirit. And then according to your spirit, your emotions are developed. According to your spirit. For example, for us, smile has different meaning. But maybe for a thief, when he succeeds, he smiles. He is also smiling. But the spirit behind is different. This is important thing to understand. So everyone has some spirit. But the most beautiful thing to understand is that this spirit, of course, this was local spirit we were talking about. But behind this local spirit, we have which spirit? Existence spirit. Existence spirit. An existence spirit, when he was introduced as neutral, mature existence spirit, what appeared? Smile appeared. So, where is smile spirit then? Where is smile spirit here? So, this is also smile spirit. If you nourish, see, so important to understand, if you nourish this smile spirit, if you are with smile spirit, how will your emotion look like? How will your reason look like? How will be your intention? We have to meditate deeply. If a thief, I gave you example, if person has stealing spirit, if person has stealing spirit, his emotions will be the reason, or his emotions and reason will be different from the person who has smile spirit. For example, I told you that when he succeeds in stealing, he smiles. And what is his intelligence doing now? His intelligence is busy making plans how to steal. So all his emotions and reasons are revolving around the spirit. Many people have complaining spirit. So many different spirit, positive or negative. But the important essence to catch is that your emotions and reasons will revolve around your spirit. So now again, can you understand why in our subject we are talking more often about smile, whether it is Tai Chi, whether it's twist therapy, Sujok or meditation. Why? Because if we change this, actually it is already there. We have to realize. But if we realize our smile spirit, automatically everything is harmonized. And when everything is harmonized, and when emotion, reason all harmonized, all smiling, what will happen to body? Because mind Body follows mind. And what will happen? Do you think? Here I want you to understand deeply. Then you can realize that then no disease in your body. No suffering in your life. So, what spirit, if I ask from you, what spirit you have?
Smile spirit.
Say with confidence.
Smile spirit.
You have smile spirit. And when you have smile spirit, then your all emotions, whether it is anger or sadness, it is beautifully you are using for some purpose. You are not deep going inside that anger or sadness. You are using those emotions, all emotions for some purpose. So, let's see. Because